Every day, thousands of freshly harvested cucumbers begin an incredible journey. But how do they become the crunchy pickles enjoyed around the world?
Inside this modern pickle factory, advanced machines wash, sort, and inspect every cucumber to ensure only the highest quality produce moves forward.
Watch as giant industrial systems transform fresh cucumbers into perfectly flavored pickles using a carefully balanced blend of vinegar, salt, and aromatic spices.
Advanced machines meticulously harvest fresh cucumbers from vast fields. The journey of fresh cucumbers begins, arriving at our state-of-the-art facility. The journey of perfect pickles begins here, with careful receipt of fresh cucumbers. Carefully unloaded, the cucumbers transition to the initial stage of processing. A clean, efficient start ensures the highest quality product from harvest to final pickle. A river of fresh cucumbers moves along the sorting line, where skilled hands ensure perfection. Trained eyes meticulously inspect each cucumber, a testament to quality control. With expert precision, any flawed cucumber is swiftly identified and removed. Only the finest cucumbers continue their journey, destined for pickling perfection. The speed and dexterity of the American workers are central to this meticulous process. Each removed cucumber signifies a commitment to uncompromising quality standards. This careful human inspection is critical, ensuring only premium cucumbers move forward. Advanced optical sorting begins, ensuring every cucumber meets precise quality standards. High-resolution cameras rapidly scan each cucumber, identifying imperfections and size variations. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The meticulously sorted cucumbers are now ready, ensuring consistent quality for every pickle jar. Precision engineering ensures every cucumber receives a thorough and consistent wash. Every inch of each cucumber is meticulously cleaned, removing all traces of field soil. Advanced filtration systems ensure the water used for washing is continuously clean. The meticulous washing process ensures only the highest quality cucumbers continue to the next stage. Fresh cucumbers begin their transformation, moving swiftly towards the brining process. They are submerged into enormous stainless steel vats, ready for brining. A carefully prepared cold saltwater brine is then introduced. The cucumbers are now fully submerged, beginning their transformation in the cold brine. Expert workers meticulously monitor brine conditions, ensuring perfect fermentation. Automated systems ensure constant, gentle agitation, promoting even brining. The vats are now ready for the crucial fermentation period. A critical step is complete, moving towards the perfect pickled cucumber. The delicate brining process transforms the cucumbers, enhancing their flavor and texture. Through careful brining, the cucumbers develop their characteristic tang and crispness. The journey begins as thousands of meticulously cleaned glass jars enter the automated jarring line. Each jar undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring only the finest containers proceed. With impeccable timing, the jars advance, nearing the crucial filling stations. Precision is key as the dispensing machine prepares jars for pickling. spice is carefully measured, ensuring consistent flavor. Each jar is a canvas, meticulously prepared for the pickling process. The spice blend is complete, a foundation for exceptional pickled cucumbers. Automated precision begins the jar filling process for our perfectly brined cucumbers. Each jar is precisely filled, ensuring optimal product quantity and presentation. After initial automation, expert American hands perform the vital final inspection and arrangement. With steady hands and specialized tongs, each cucumber is artfully placed for a perfect, tight pack. This meticulous arrangement guarantees visual appeal and product integrity for every jar. Quality control is a continuous effort, combining automated efficiency with human discernment. From brining to final packing, every step is executed with unwavering commitment to excellence. Every jar is a testament to the dedication of American craftsmanship and quality. The aromatic pickling liquid, a symphony of flavors, is prepared for its crucial role. Precision nozzles activate, ensuring each jar receives its perfect measure of pickling liquid. The vibrant dill and crisp cucumbers are gently enveloped, beginning their transformation. Skilled hands ensure meticulous calibration, guaranteeing consistent quality. Each jar is filled precisely to the brim, sealing in the fresh ingredients. Now filled, the jars advance, ready for the crucial sealing process. Precision machinery places lids securely, preserving the fresh taste of every pickled cucumber. A meticulous vacuum sealing process guarantees peak freshness and extended shelf life. Each lid, perfectly sealed, locks in flavor, ensuring quality in every jar. The sealed jars begin their crucial journey through a gentle pasteurization process. This careful process locks in the pickle's perfect crunch. Each jar receives a precise and even heat treatment. Expertly preserved, these pickles are now ready for the next stage. Advanced technology ensures consistent quality and safety. The continuous flow is a testament to precision engineering. The sealed jars maintain their integrity through every stage. The journey continues, with perfect pickles ready for distribution. From heat to cool, the jars transition, ready for their final branding. Precise air jets ensure every jar is perfectly dry, eliminating any moisture. With expert alignment, jars enter the labeling machine, a symphony of precision. The machine swiftly applies the first label, a testament to efficiency. A synchronized ballet of machinery labels multiple jars with impeccable speed. A skilled worker performs final checks, ensuring every label meets stringent standards. Robotic precision ensures each jar of pickled cucumbers is carefully placed for transport. The automated system streamlines the packing process, maintaining efficiency and product integrity. Automated systems ensure each package is perfectly sealed, ready for its next stage. Each layer is precisely placed, ensuring maximum stability for transport. These perfectly stacked pallets are now ready for distribution, continuing the journey of quality products. Precision and care guide every movement, ensuring the integrity of each meticulously prepared pallet. Seamlessly, the pallet begins its journey across the vast, organized expanse of the
Efficiency meets flavor. Our pickles are ready for the world, freshly packed and headed to your kitchen.
Their industry comes to life.